Hey guys, so today we're going to be checking out some makeup fails that happened on TikTok. What actually happened was she added, I think, a bit too much of eyelash glue onto her eye or the rest of her eye makeup, as well as either the glitter primer. Sometimes you get those glitter primers that stick onto the eye and really create that whole kind of lock onto your face. Hence, I think that's just what happened to her. So I'm so sorry, boo. Right here we have somebody who is feeling down lately and she decided, you know what, we're gonna switch it up with some makeup and let's give it a go and let's see what exactly happens. And she did a transition and was like, oh wow. So she's trying to create like this whole kind of a butterfly. And now she feels more down. Right here we have somebody working with, I think that's a James Charles palette. Oh no, no. So it looks like she's trying to make a whole type of an eyeliner. No, it's an eyebrow. NYX mascara, let's see why we shouldn't try it. Oh. Oh no, it's stuck onto her eye like so bad. I guess the mascara is really bad and it hardens onto the eyelash. I really don't know what happened there. Right here we have somebody who did their eye makeup so perfect. This blue is, I'm living for this blue. That's actually a bulge up here in the corner of your eyes. Sorry, it must have hurt. Okay, what do we have here? Some cherries. Oh, it's a lip plumper and it overplumped. Okay. How did she mix that though? I don't understand. How? Thank God we have masks nowadays. Yeah, we have somebody who's trying to do their eyeliner and let's have a look and see what she actually does. Oh, I know that feeling when you pray just to... Oh my word! That's next level catfish. This is for girls who have hooded eyes. I'm so sorry you guys have to go through this. Okay, so I guess she's trying on some eyelashes. So let's see how they actually turn out. I personally feel like once you stop wearing lashes, there's no going back. You cannot look at yourself the same way. Yes, mascara goes on, but no. Okay, it's 3. No, it's actually not. Yes. Yes, you did. You just have to let it try a little more. Her eyebrows are so beautiful. No. Don't be shy, put some more. I don't understand what happened there. That looks so nice. Oh my god. What is she doing? Oh, she looks nice. But I think she added a bit of lashes to that. She'd actually look really nice. Oh my god. What is she doing? Oh, she looks nice. But I think she added a bit of lashes to that. She'd actually look really nice. That's a lot of the times we actually feel like that when we step out of our comfort zone. So I guess that's what she's actually going through. So you get those days where you just want to be natural and just want to like oop it up. Okay, let's see what you got. This is why you should ask people for pictures. Right here we have another one. Let's see. A lot of the times it's we know exactly what you're seeing, which is also is your face shape, your jaw, your jawbones, everything of that sort. So it's not exactly always the person who's doing your makeup. Sometimes you don't add lashes that makes it look like more dramatic. So it's not always the makeup artist's fault, because I personally do makeup for people and it's not always our fault. So next time, make sure you ask your makeup artist like pictures in advance to see their work and whether they're actually good at it, not just trusting anybody. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.